this big gigantic robot over in the middle is Voltron. He's actually a guy that actually protects planet Earth from evil monsters like that, and he fights them with sword, and there's a blast over there in the green one's mouth. Kind of cool. Okay, so just imagine there's a bad guy over there, just there, and he just gone away. Blaster in the mouth. And as you see, that was a shot.
Form Voltron!
And as you can see, he cannot just say that.
Let's Huck! Give me 4 reverse thrusters!
He can also say to the other captains in here, with the other 4 boosters.
Let's cut the Gara down to size!
And that was the blue one saying that. And as this blade over here, but this is not a real sword, though. Let's just ignore the sword on him.
We are Voltron!
And also we can see that. And when
Systems compromised. Now, we will destroy you.
yep, it always says that. And that's the sound of the sword.
I'll make him back off. Guys, hang on!
And guess who said that? The Green Lion. But there's also a captain inside it, which is Pitch. Well, even though she kept a secret though, she was a woman, not a boy.
You dropped a sonic boom on him!
Sonic boom. You heard that? He said Sonic. Sonic boom.
Pitch, form shield.
Roger that.
Form Voltron. Pitch, form shield. Roger that.
And there's the shield, and also these were the shield. Only if I could take them off. And always Pitch had to hold that or him, or he could hold it.
We are Voltron.
Even though, forget about the wings, you could still fly without the wings.
Systems compromised. Let's do it. Keep, form sword.
And as you can see, he said that.
Now, we will destroy you. Now we go on the offensive. Lance, Huck, give me 4 reverse thrusters. Roger. Engaging lower thrusters.
When Voltron was separated by this naughty man, he actually hit them in different parts in the forest. And he just thought if he was going to be a bad guy, he would need to get the lions back. And he was defeated, but his evil witch cast a spell, Shiro, over there. Well, in one of the series, they got beaten. And as you can see, there's some pretender slash marks and dead marks, and been put in by a machine. And these ones, as you can see, there's no dents on these ones. If you won't mind if you can eat that. Right, let me show you how to transform it back into a lion. First you do that. Next you stretch the neck out. And then flip that back. And then do that. Just like this. Just do that. And just measure it. And just but not least, pull there. Oh, let me show you another thing. Wings can easily pull off. And also you can switch on the other sides. And let me tell you how many people are in him. 5 people in there. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 layers, but that doesn't include the wings. And as you can see, this would be a bigger Voltron than that one. Let me show you one cover I haven't shown you yet. That bit has a little teensy wincy plane, but if you buy it and give it to the baby, the baby might act like that, and then it might want to get the plane and swallow it as dinner. So keep that away from babies. And that's all for today. I'm doing a video. Freya's awake. And as you can see, this is all the